What's up you guys? My name is Jency V and today I am going to be reviewing TTDeye. So this is a box right here that they have sent me. I have opened it but I didn't really go through it yet. TTD means actually the third eye, so it's pretty cool, interesting, cute. I actually got 3 cards right here. The instructions on how to put in your contact lenses, and I think that's very important because some people still don't know how to put in your contact lenses, or they never really put contact lenses in. Advices on how to put contact lenses, and also important advice on safety for your contacts. And the second one that they have sent me is this card right here, and it is how to win your free contacts, and they have 2 methods on the back on how to win free contact lenses. Pretty nice to have. And the third one is just stickers. Actually, it's pretty nice. I think I'm gonna use them for my notebook or anything, but it's really cute. Also, they sent me in this little circle thing is actually the mirror. It's actually broken, you guys, but it's okay. This would have been really helpful, but it's broken, but it's okay. It's not a big deal. I have a lot of mirrors, and so, but it's really cool that they send you one of the like to-go mirrors and you can bring it anywhere you like. They also sent me this confetti, which I don't know what I would use this for, but so for every contacts that they send you, they actually provided you with these boxes. So they sent me 4 contacts, different 4 contacts. They sent me 4 of these as well. And inside these boxes, this where you can put your contact lenses. Make sure you have contact solution as well. So I will be linking the contact lens solution that I use that is really good for your eyes. And also in this box, they give you these tweezers that you can use as well to take out your contacts, and the other one is to help put on your contacts, which is this one. You can put your contacts on top of there, and then you can just place it right there, which is, if you are very sensitive with your eyes and you don't like touching your eyes, really nice tool to have. And also if you have really long nails, that's perfect to use. And they will send me all these boxes that has different colors in it, and it's also very helpful because they'll tell you what color it is and the color of your contact lenses. Alright, you guys, here we are on ttdeye.com, and I'm gonna be showing you the website that they have so you are familiar of who they are and what they have on their website. So on the front page, they have the Halloween right now. It's $9.99 to $19.99. Of course, they have discount codes on the bottom that you can pick out if you have 3, 5, 8 items or less than that. Also, they have Halloween campaigns where you have all Halloween contacts, mashup, mega sale, non-prescription, prescription, and the bestseller. And of course, like me, I always have the prescription because I'm blind. And if you want specific color that you like, you have it right here. If you have a specific anime character eye look that you want, they have it right here as well. They have the cold blood ones, which is the vampire and the zombie look, contact lenses, and the featured collections, which is the mesh blind, constellation, pure color, animal eyes, and swirl. Pretty cool. And here's the creepy looks that they have for Halloween down here, and then they have the about us right here, and you can read more. This is all about TTDeye and what they do, where they are, and how they come about and everything. So let's go back, and then they have an Instagram page and people who uses them, and here they are, and who all are using these contacts, what they look like, and you can put yourself in that look as well. TTDeye reviews. There's a lot of really good reviews, and I've worn these contacts and they are amazing. You can read all these reviews and you can decide for yourself. On the left side, they have Halloween, natural, top hits, 1 month, 1 day, and new. These are all the Halloween, the natural look contact lenses, of course, their #1 hit of the popular ones, the 1-month contact package that can last to 1 month, and the everyday look, because some people want an everyday contacts that they can change out, and the new contacts that they have. And then on this, you can also look up the colors that you want. Okay, so the colors that you like is over here. The series, the natural, fresh, enlarged, rainbow, dream, party, and cosplay. The type that you want, Halloween co-brand, and of course, if you want prescription, the frequency, 1 year, 1 month, and 1 day. The hot sale that they have. They have beauty, which is they have lens cases as well, contact lens washer, eyelashes, beauty tools, glitter, face jewels, stickers, and accessories, blogs, tips and cares, and recent news. And of course, you can buy it in different currencies. Alright, you guys, so this is the Polar Lights Brown, and this is supposed to look like right here in the box is what it's supposed to look like. Also, I have really dark brown eyes, and this color makes my eyes pop. Really like it. It does look not as light when I don't know. I can't tell yet. I can't make decisions yet. But I think I was in a dark space earlier, so it kind of looks darker. I don't know, this might look really good on me. So this is Polar Lights Brown. Okay, so this is the close-up. You can just think about how it really changes my look right now. So I really like it, and let's try the next one. Alright, you guys, so this is the next contacts, which is the Polar Lights Gray, and this is what it's supposed to look like right there. This is what it looks like up close. Oh my god, this is actually really nice, especially for my complexion. It just kind of like changes my whole look. It looks so much more sexier. I don't know how to describe it, but it's like a bang. Almost creepy, nice, sexy. I can't describe it. Okay, so now let's go to the next one. Next one that I have right now, it's the Vanilla Gray, and this is what it's supposed to look like right here. And this is what it looks like on me. It looks pretty natural, and I really like natural look contact lenses. It just looks like my natural eye color, and even though it's not, but it just looks so natural, and that's what I really like. So that's the Vanilla Gray. So now I'm gonna be showing you the Egypt Yellow Green. This is very interesting because now I have the Egypt Yellow Green. This is what it looks like right here up close. It looks really nice, you guys. It just looks a little crazy. Definitely best to use during Halloween, I think. But this is, you can wear this anytime actually. I think you should pick out contact lenses that are really good for your complexion. It is pretty crazy color, definitely, but it just matches me, my personality, and I think this is really nice. Okay, you guys, so these contact lenses are actually on sale for the Halloween from August 29th to October 16th. So they're actually as low as $9.98. So you should go get them now because they are perfect. And if you are blind like me, you can get prescription as well. Also, you guys, all the details about this is gonna be on my description down below. Also, you can get 15% off for using my code, which is GenCV15, which is where I'm gonna put it here, or in the description down below. And also I'm gonna be linking their website and the colors that I have picked out myself. So if you want to try them, do it because they're pretty good. Of course, I'm also gonna be linking their Instagram page, which you should follow them on TTDeye. Halloween is coming up, so I'm gonna be putting out more Halloween looks for you guys. So make sure you follow me on my channel, which is JenCV, and I'll be linking that right here. Follow me, subscribe to my channel, and if you actually like this review, smash that like button down below and click that notification bell down below to get notified for my upcoming videos. And if you guys want me to do more of these reviews, just comment down below. And without further ado, you guys, thank you for watching till the end of this video, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Mwah.